Welcome to the Hydrostatic Pressure Interactive Calculator, which solves fluid pressure problems in engineering applications. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate pressure at depth, calculate depth from pressure, calculate fluid density, calculate force on surface, calculate gauge pressure, and calculate absolute pressure. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Pressure at Depth. The input fields include depth H with a placeholder of 10, fluid density ρ with a placeholder of 1000, gravitational acceleration g, which defaults to 9.81, atmospheric pressure PATM defaulting to 101325, pressure P with placeholder 20000, surface area A with placeholder 2, and gauge pressure P gauge with placeholder 98100. Let's work through an example using the Calculate Pressure at Depth mode. I'll enter a depth of 10 meters and use the default fluid density of 1000 kilograms per cubic meter for water. With gravitational acceleration at 9.81 and atmospheric pressure at 1,325 pascals, clicking Calculate will generate results showing the hydrostatic pressure at that depth, along with related parameters like gauge pressure and the total force if a surface area is specified. This tool streamlines hydrostatic calculations for tank design, submarine engineering, and hydraulic systems. Find the link in the description below.